What's up, y'all? Today we have the new Meowth VMAX Special Collection box to open. This box just came out today. It's our first look at the new V and VMAX cards in English version. Now there are no Sword and Shield packs in here, but we do get to see the English version of these V cards. They looked really nice. We got to see some of the Japanese set of Sword and Shield. The Sword and Shield is where we're going to first be introduced. The first series to introduce the V cards. So, let's have a quick look. Here's the Meowth and the V and the VMAX. As you can see, the VMAX is a evolution of the Meowth V. They have crazy HP, 300 HP. That's a lot. And there's the Jumbo to go with it. So there's the two, and we'll pull out the Jumbo card here. Meowth VMAX. Pretty good attack, actually. It's not too bad. Alright, so let's get into these packs. We got in here a code card. There you go. We have Cosmic Eclipse, XY Evolutions, Cosmic Eclipse again, Unified Minds, and Sun and Moon Guardians Rising. So let's go in this order. We'll end with Cosmic Eclipse. Start with XY Evolutions. Let's knock these out. Let's see if we can get something good to go with these VMAX and V cards. Look at that Charmander. So much nostalgia. I love these. I know this wasn't a very popular set, but the idea of having the old looking cards is just so much fun. Energy Retrieval, Nidorino, Double Colorless Energy, Charmander, Rattata, Caterpie, Magnemite, Voltorb, Reverse Holo Charmeleon, and non-holographic Dugong. Alright. But that's pretty much what XY Evolutions delivers. Sun and Moon, Guardians Rising. We got code. Fire Energy, Max Potion, Tentacruel, Lampent, Alolan Sandshrew, Cottony, Bellsprout, Gligar, Alolan Geodude, Marini, and non-holographic Swellow. So no holographics yet, 2 reverse holos. We've got Unified Minds here. Let's see if we can get a good tag team. Code. 4 cards. And Metal Energy, Blizzard Town, why not? Type Null, Pikachu, Lickitung, Purloin, Magmar, Dynamo, Reverse Holo Pikachu, nice. And a holographic Serena. Very nice. Not too bad for Unified Minds. And finally, the big ones, Cosmic Eclipse. We'll start with Palkia and Dialga. There's your code card. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we go. Psychic Energy, Golduck, Pangoro, Heracross, Carvanha, Chinchou, Azurill, Rufflet, Oddish, Reverse Holo Eevee, nice. Have not pulled this from Cosmic Eclipse until today, so that'll go straight into the collection. And Holographic Florges, which I have pulled this one. This is a nice looking card though. So that's always a good pack when I can get Eevee. I'm always very happy about that. Last pack of our Meowth VMAX box. There have been no GX, 2 holos out of 5 packs, so let's see if we can get here to finish off. 1, 2, 3, 4. And Metal Energy, Chaotic Swell, Type Null, Island Challenge Amulet, Whalmer, Palpitoad, Kricketot, Woobat, Reverse Hollow Dusclops, nice, and Oricorio GX, nice card, not too bad. Alright guys, that'll do it for our Meowth VMAX box. Thanks again for watching. These just came out today, so go to your stores, check it out while you can. See you guys for our next video. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, share it with all your friends, let everybody know we're here. We'd appreciate it. We'll see you guys soon. Bye-bye.